Welcome back to Quiz Core.
You know alcohol damages your liver, but do you know what's destroying your teeth? Or which fruit actually strengthens your bones? Let's see if you can pass this 40-question medical challenge. Before starting, please subscribe to the Quiz Core channel for more exciting quizzes. First question. What is most damaging to the teeth? Answer B. Sticky candy. What is most damaging to sleep quality? Answer B. Blue light. Which habit is most harmful to the spine? Answer B. Poor posture. Which food is most harmful to the gallbladder? Answer B. High-fat fried foods. What is most damaging to ear health? Answer B. Loud noise. Which fruit helps lower blood pressure? Answer C. Kiwi. Which fruit aids in digestion? Answer A. Papaya. Which fruit strengthens bones? Answer A. Fig. Which fruit improves vision? Answer B. Blueberries. Which fruit helps prevent anemia? Answer A. Pomegranate. Which fruit boosts immune system? Answer A. Guava. What is the primary function of the spleen? Answer B. Filtering blood. What is the function of white blood cells? Answer B. Fight infection. What is the role of the gallbladder? Answer B. Store bile. What do the adrenal glands produce? Answer B. Hormones. What is the main function of the bladder? Answer A. Store urine. What is the function of the small intestine? Answer B. Absorb nutrients. What is the function of platelets? Answer B. Blood clotting. What is the medical term for fainting? Answer B. Syncope. What is the medical term for chest pain? Answer A. Angina. What is the medical term for hair loss? Answer B. Alopecia. What is the medical term for the shin bone? Answer B. Tibia. What is the medical term for bad breath? Answer A. Halitosis. What is the medical term for joint inflammation? Answer B. Arthritis. What is the medical term for a bruise? Answer B. Contusion. Which doctor treats cancer? Answer A. Oncologist. Which doctor treats foot disorders? Answer B. Podiatrist. Which doctor treats arthritis? Answer A. Rheumatologist. Which doctor treats kidney diseases? Answer A. Nephrologist. Which doctor treats ear, nose, and throat? Answer A. ENT specialist. Which doctor treats mental health? Answer A. Psychiatrist. Which doctor treats urinary tract? Answer A. Urologist. What is the medical term for the skull? Answer B. Cranium. What is the function of the thyroid? Answer A. Regulate metabolism. Which food is most harmful to skin? Answer A. High glycemic foods. Which fruit prevents urinary infections? Answer A. Cranberries. What is the medical term for low blood sugar? Answer B. Hypoglycemia. Which doctor specializes in liver diseases? Answer A. Hepatologist. What is the medical term for the thigh bone? Answer B. Femur. What is the function of cartilage? Answer B. Cushion joints.
Choose your next challenge and hit that like and subscribe button.